Hello, everyone. I'm Mariana from Procurious, specialist in cloud and cybersecurity solutions. Are you looking for an HR solution that simplifies your people management and frees up time for more strategic tasks? In today's video, we'll take a close look at HRLocker, a cloud-based HR platform often known as HRIS, which stands for Human Resources Information System. It has over 55,000 users in more than 50 countries. HRLocker promises to make HR management easier, especially for startups, SMEs to mid and large-sized companies with hundreds of employees. Don't forget to like, subscribe, or follow our channel to keep up to date with our latest reviews, guides, and insights. HRLocker provides an all-in-one HR platform, covering everything from employee management, leave tracking, and time management to recruitment and performance appraisals. Let's break down what it offers and how it can fit into your business. At its core, HRLocker delivers key HR functionalities for both office-based and remote workforces. Here's what you get. Leave management. Employees can easily request leave, managers can approve it with just a click, and it syncs up with your calendar, avoiding scheduling conflicts. Time and attendance tracking. The platform tracks employee hours, whether they're working remotely or on-site, and you can pull up detailed reports in real time. Document storage and compliance. Keep all employee contracts, certifications, and compliance records securely stored, ensuring that you're audit-ready at all times. Performance management. You can set objectives, track employee goals, and run appraisals directly within the system, giving you the data you need to optimize performance. Recruitment, from job postings to tracking applicants and hiring decisions, HRLocker's ATS functionality helps streamline your hiring process. The scalability of HRLocker means you can start small and add features as your business grows, making it a flexible solution for startups and larger businesses alike. It comes in different versions to suit businesses of various sizes and complexity. Here's a quick comparison. HR Essential, perfect for smaller businesses. The Essential plan covers the basics like employee records, leave management, and time tracking. It also has a dashboard, calendar integrations, employee onboarding and offboarding, and project reporting, and it covers compensation and benefits. We particularly like the mobile app for dealing with things on the go. HR Professional. The Pro plan builds on the Essential plan, adding features like performance management, automated timesheets, and integration with payroll systems. We particularly like the CPD module, pension opt-in, employee reviews, and background checks, which are perfect for any diligent HR leader. Then lastly, HR Premium. This is the most comprehensive version and includes all features from the other tiers plus advanced modules like recruitment with an applicant tracking system, advanced reporting, and customizable workflows, an AI chatbot. Let's talk about what makes HRLocker a game changer for businesses. Time savings. By automating repetitive HR tasks like payroll, leave requests, and compliance tracking, HRLocker frees up HR teams and leaders to focus on the strategic work. Enhanced employee engagement. Employees love the easy-to-use self-service portal where they can manage their time off, track their goals, and review their performance. Remote work optimization. With remote time tracking and document management, HRLocker is built for distributed teams, ensuring that your HR function runs smoothly no matter where your staff is based. Compliance. HRLocker keeps you audit-ready with GDPR-compliant document storage, automated reminders for certifications, and full employee record management. HRLocker is particularly helpful for businesses facing these common pain points. Manual processes. If you're drowning in spreadsheets, HRLocker automates processes like leave approval and time tracking, reducing manual errors. Scaling pains. As businesses grow, keeping up with employee records and compliance can become overwhelming. HRLocker simplifies the management of HR tasks, even for growing teams. Remote workforce challenges. If you are managing a dispersed team, HRLocker's cloud-based solution allows you to handle everything from anywhere, providing transparency and consistency. HRLocker also integrates into lots of common tools and resources to use on a day-to-day basis or promote your roles such as Microsoft 365, LinkedIn, Glassdoor, Indeed, Adzuna, Simply Hired, and much more. So, is HRLocker the right fit for your business? If you're looking for an easy-to-implement, scalable HR system with great functionality for remote teams, HRLocker could be exactly what you need. It helps reduce admin time, improves employee engagement, and ensures compliance, making your HR operations smoother and more efficient. Now, cost-wise, there are two factors. Firstly, it is price per employee, which is reflected on the tier you choose with a choice of monthly or annual payment terms. In addition to this, HRLocker has a minor one-off onboarding and setup charge, which varies depending on your choice of tier from Essentials, Professional, Premium, and employee size. In return, you're onboarded by HRLocker's dedicated customer success team, walking you through setup, integration, and configuration, ensuring your company and teams gets off to the best start possible, and is normally completed in half or a full day depending on the size of your company. HRLocker is available on our website to order straight away, but if you would like more support in considering HRLocker, we would be delighted to arrange a demo and a trial to go alongside a quote for you to consider. Get in touch and ask the team. To see HRLocker in action and learn more, visit our website, email us or call and we can schedule a demo or a trial for you. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, follow, or subscribe for more reviews, guides, and business software tips.